guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone outgoing calls not ringing, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. First of all, unlock your iPhone. Then check the silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. If it's on silent, toggle it off to enable sounds for outgoing calls. If the issue is still not resolved, open the Settings app. This is where all sound and notification settings can be adjusted. Scroll down in Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls your iPhone's ringtone and alert volumes. Here, increase the volume for ringtones and alerts. Make sure it's high enough so outgoing calls will ring properly. If the problem still persists, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Tap Restart from the top right corner to restart your iPhone. This often resolves minor software glitches affecting call notifications, and that's how you can fix iPhone outgoing calls not ringing. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, comment below if you have any other iPhone issues you want us to solve.